We are family. The Lewis family. We are family. Oh, we love each other. The Lewis family. Oh, we support each other. We are family. Through ups and downs. The Lewis family. We are there for one another. We are family. Oh, yes, we are. Yes, we are. The Lewis family. Okay, you guys, here we got our pork chops. Now, the only season we're going to use today is Creole Tundra Satching season. Okay, you guys, we're going to sprinkle some on one side. And y'all, this is also great on fish. I like it on fried fish as well. And also cooked french fries. And now we're going to flip our pork chops over. And we're going to sprinkle some on this side. On the other side. Now you guys, I took some flour and I put it in a plastic container, as you can see in the back. And that is what we also going to use, just regular multi-purpose flour. Okay, y'all, we're going to take a piece of one pork chop and we're going to flour it. I don't like to flour multiple meats at one time simply because it will clump up your batter. And another thing I do is we take a little flour, and that's how we test our grease down in the South to see if it's ready to go. And y'all can see it is. Now we're going to start adding our meat. These look so good, and it smells so good as well. Now we are going to flip them over. Y'all see how good and brown it's starting to look? Now, you guys, what we're going to do along with the pork chop, we're going to do some ranch style beans. You're also going to add ranch style beans. And now we're going to also fix some Jiffy cornbread mix. And y'all, look how good those look. Oh my God, y'all. And we got our beans going. And what I like to do with my beans, I also like to add a little salt and black pepper to enhance the flavor. Okay, our pork chops is almost done getting ready. And I'm gonna use a strainer and a plate because sometimes when you don't, if you don't have paper towels, this is just a quick, easy way. And what I do is, when I get my pork chops out, as I'm doing right now, I like to lay them sideways so that way the grease can drain onto the plate. And if you would like your pork chops soft fried, only thing you have to do is just reduce the heat of the grease. That way it just take a little longer for them to cook. You don't want them to boil. You just want them kind of like a meat, like a real light fry. Because the higher the grease, of course, the quicker the meat fry. As you can see, the grease is draining. It's just a little trick for you guys. So now we're gonna flour up some more pork chops, you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and put it into our grease. And I'm gonna also go ahead and start mixing my beans. And I like to make sure the handles isn't sticking right over another pot, pan, or skillet, because it does make it hot. And as you see, I don't wear any glove mix or anything. And y'all, I already added 1 egg into my cornbread mix, and I like to use Nestle Carnation milk instead of jug milk, simply because it makes it more thicker and richer. And also, you can find the recipe on the box as well, right on the side, just in case you forget, like me. And the consistency of my cornbread, when y'all do it like that, I like to be kind of chunky, but not real thin. Okay, you guys, we have our cornbread, and I did use a skillet, as y'all can see, and there's our fried pork chops. Well, here's our plate. I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video. It's not much, just something quick when you have to work or you just didn't have time to cook a full 4-course meal. But I guarantee you this will definitely fill you up. And also, if you also can add onions and jalapenos in your rinsed out beans, it's just whatever you like. You know, you can make it your way. And this is my little simple way. So I hope you guys really enjoy this recipe. And always don't forget to like, subscribe to Miss Brenda's Family Place. Miss Brenda Dee's Family Place. Okay? You guys have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Miss Brenda Dee's place. You're always welcome to Miss Brenda Dee.